So we have completed functions. We have completed lambda functions. We completed the functions and we completed the lambda functions. Guys, any doubts still there? Do you have any doubts still there? Functions and lambda functions. Clear now? Yeah. So today what I will tell you is, today I will be telling you a concept which is known as an comprehensions. Okay, which is known as comprehensions. For example, let's say, a small logic I will be telling you. So here, comprehension techniques. Okay, comprehension techniques. Basically, the comprehension techniques are two different types. Basically, the comprehension techniques are two different types. So the one is, okay, so the one is list comprehension. Okay, the one is list comprehension. And the second one that we are going to discuss is dictionary comprehension. Dictionary comprehension. Okay, so the concepts which we are going to discuss today is list comprehension and dictionary comprehension. So what is the purpose of using the keyword comprehension means what? Comprehension means making the logic in single line. Okay, making the logic in a single line. For example, if you are writing 3 to 4 lines of code, you can write them in a single line. Okay, so what happens if you write 3 to 4 lines of code, and what happens if you write a single line of code? Do there will be any change? Guys, do there will be any change? For example, imagine you are writing a is equals to 10, something like for I in a, going inside print something like I, then again some few lines you are writing. For example, 1 2, and suppose some other print I am writing outside the loop, something like good. So total 3 lines. Total 3 lines. Total I am writing 3 different lines. So my question is, so if you write the logic in 3 lines, what happens? If you write the same 3 lines logic in a single line, suppose if I am writing this 3 lines logic in a single line, so do there will be any change? Do we will be having any change? Yes, of course. So you might not see those things like, sir, how can we find the change? So because here just you will be writing 3 lines or 4 lines or max 10 lines of code. So here you can't find the difference. But in a real time, you will be writing thousands of lines of code. For the data scientist, I'm telling you. Okay. So thousands of lines of code depends on the application we will write. So imagine if you have 1000 lines, it will take 1 or 2 seconds for the CPU to execute. If you have 100 lines, it will take 0.1 or 0.2 nanoseconds to execute the code. So tell me now which is executing very fast. Okay, you can ask me, the difference will be not more than 1 or 2 nanoseconds. Okay, it will be nanoseconds only, but that one will be also counted in the real time. For example, if the hotstar is working 0.1 nanoseconds late, means imagine when Dhoni enters, obviously due to the heavy input, it might goes to 0.5 nanoseconds. So application works very, very slow. So these issues should not happen. It should not happen. So for that, comprehension techniques will be useful. So this is not so important, but just not so important means like the people who are having 5+ years of experience Those people will write this kind of logics. So for, in recent times, like most of the interviews, they are asking comprehensions also. So I will be telling you this comprehensions very, very clearly. Very clearly, I will be telling you this particular logic. So we have two techniques, list comprehensions and dictionary comprehensions. So let me write clearly. Theoretical part I will write there and implementation I will be doing here. Okay. Comprehensions. Comprehensions. Comprehensions, where comprehensions are two types. I mentioned here already. Comprehensions are two types, list comprehension and dictionary comprehension. Comprehension, what is the meaning of comprehension? Reduce the lines of code. Reduce the lines of code. So there are two different types. One is list comprehension and the second one is, let's say, dictionary comprehension. Okay, list comprehension and dictionary comprehension, very, very important. Okay, so first I will be explaining. Guys, I want you to print the values from 11 to 20. So what I have to do, tell me what I have to do. I want to print the values from 11 to 20. First I am discussing about list comprehension. First I am discussing about list comprehension. Okay, list comprehension. So I want you to print the values from 11 to 20. How is it possible?
For I in
Yes.
range of 11 to 21.
Yes, for I in range of 11 to 21. So print I. Print I. So there is recently I have seen one input or some question, I think so, from Shravani or some other person. So if you write like this, what happens? If you use the end keyword, what happens? That also I will be telling you now. See, simply, you know very well, according to the range, what is the range? 11 to 20. Starting is 11, ending is 11. I value will be picking up, I value will be picking up 11, that you know very well. I value, I value will be picking up 11, going inside print I, which means 11. Next iteration, I value will be picking up 12, going inside print 12. Print 12. So first iteration print 11, in the next iteration going inside and print 12. Guys, you tell me, in the next iteration, in the third iteration, I value will be picking 13, going inside and printing 13. Guys, printing like this means it is a horizontal way of printing or vertical way of printing? One after other.
One after another.
One after other. It's a vertical, no? Like you are not going side by side. Yes or no? You're coming like this, one after other. Okay. So you want this representation means you can directly print I. So defaultly, if you print like this, one after other in a line, it will come. Sir, I don't want like this. I want in a 11, 12, 13, 14. I want in this manner. I want in this manner. Then what happens? See, same logic I will copy. I will paste here. See, first I value will be picking up 11. That you know very well. I value will be picking up 11. Going inside. Print I. What is the I? I means 11. I means 11. Next. In the next iteration, I value will be picking up 12. Going inside. Guys, print to 12 means obviously it goes to the next line and here only it will print, no? It will print here only. But I don't want like this means what you have to do is you need to keep one command here, comma end equal to in between the quotes, whatever you are writing, it will come. For example, end equal to is a function. End equal to is the logic to represent in a horizontal way. Now see, once again I will be telling you. So let's say first iteration I value will be picking up 11, going inside. Print I means 11 I am printing. 11 I am printing. See, After 11, there is a end condition. What this end condition is telling? Do you have any space in between the quotes, guys? Tell me. Do you have any space in between the quotes? No space. So leave it. Leave it. Next iteration. I value will be picking up 12. I value will be picking up 12. Going inside. Inside, it will print side by side. End is there, no? So side by side. 12. So why, sir, why space is not there? Because here you are not giving any space. I value will be picking 13. Going inside. Again, it will print 13. Because, see, if you are writing end means, instead of printing every iteration like this, it will print every iteration side by side. So to maintain the space or to not to maintain the space, it depends upon what you have given here. Depends upon what you have given here. For example, if I run it, see first iteration 11, next iteration 12, next iteration 13. Okay, but sir, for every iteration I need space means here I will give space. First 11, space will come. Next 12, space will come. See, every iteration. So here you can do anything. Suppose if I keep this line, first 11 will come a line. Next, see first 11. That is the beauty. First iteration 11. First iteration 11. After that, what you are doing? In between the quotes, you are writing line. Okay. Next iteration 12. Line. Next iteration 13. Line. So simple. If you want like this, maintain like this. Side by side means you can write side by side. It's your wish completely. See, it's your wish. Okay. So the space and this is no. Okay, keep it aside. This is not so important. You can print in this way or in this way. That doesn't matter. So my question for you is, I'm going to copy this one. The logic, what I want to tell is, guys, tell me how many lines it is taking. How many lines total? To print the values from 11 to 21, how many lines you are taking?
20. 10.
2 lines. 2 lines. Total 2 lines of code you are writing. Yes or no? Total?
Yeah.
2 lines of code we are writing. So can't we make them into a single line? Yes, we can make them into a single line using list comprehension. Using list comprehension. So here you need to understand very clearly. Here we need to understand very clearly. That is syntax 1. First type of syntax. Syntax 1. First type of syntax. So what is the first type of syntax? See, what is the first type of syntax is list comprehension means you need to write the list. Yes or no? In the name itself, list is there or not? List comprehension means obviously we need to write the list. Write the list. This is the printing area. Area to print. First area is there, no? That is the area to print. And for loop here. For loop here. Simple logic. You need to write the for loop here. This is the printing area. Printing area. See, first, type 1 syntax I am writing here. So guys, see, just to using list comprehension. See, using list comprehension. I told you the syntax, the comment won't be considered as a line. I'm telling you. So here, without the list comprehension, you are writing 2 different lines. Yes or no? The code is taking 2 different lines. The code is 2 different lines to execute to get the output. Now what I will do is, see, open the list comprehension. Open the list. Just open the list. So logic will be same. Copy the for loop, paste it here. Paste it here. There is no need of 2 column because see, what is the purpose of 2 column? 2 column means going inside. Yes or no? What is the purpose of 2 column, guys? Going inside. So here you are writing in a single line. So do you have any purpose of this one? Are we going inside? No. We are not going inside. Then what is the purpose of this 2 column? So in a single line, just I'm writing for loop. Okay. So this print I is there, no? Like whatever you are printing. So just put the I here. Simple. Now see the syntax. Whatever the syntax that I have written. First, write the for loop. Area to print. Okay, the area you need to print and for loop. Now I will be explaining you, sir, how this works, how this single line works. See, first focus on the for loop. First focus on the for loop. For I in range of 11 to 20, concept is same. I will be picking up value 11. Value 11. Instead of two columns, instead of going inside, instead of 11, instead of column and instead of going inside, I will pick 11. It will go here. Guys, here what you are doing? You are printing I or not? You are printing I or not? So 11 will come. 11 will come. Next. Next. I value will be picking up 12. It will come here, print to 12. I value will be picking up 13. It will come here. This is the printing area. Okay, it will come there and print 13, 14, 15. Till the range, it will print. Till the range, it will print. So, if I keep all this result, if I keep all this result inside the print, it will print the output for me. It will print the, what happened? Sorry. Let me zoom. Okay. If I keep the logic inside the print, simple. If I keep the logic inside the print, simple. If I execute it, you are getting the output. Obviously, you are writing the list comprehension. The output will be also in the list. So that doesn't matter whether list or not. The question is, guys, single line is working or not? 11 to 20. Single line code. Tell me. Single line code. Did you understood how it is working?
Yes, sir.
First for loop. First for loop, this is the printing area. I value will be picking up 11, going here, print 11. So I will write the loop here. Once again if needed. 11 to 20, 11, 12, 13. I value will pick 11. Go here. So print 11. Okay, comma. Since the list comprehension, list will come. Next iteration. So next iteration, I value will pick 12. Go here, print 12. Next iteration, I value will pick 13. Go here, print 13. So it goes on like that. Okay, like a circle here itself. This is the list comprehension work. See, you are writing here in 2 lines, guys. Imagine in interview, they ask you to write in a single line. Can't you use this technique and show in front of them? Can't you use this technique and show in front of them? Yes. Now, another question I will ask you. In between values 11 to 21, find only even numbers. Find only even numbers. So if you need type 1 syntax is, then I will pull it down. So where we have doing the see here I am writing list comprehension. First technique, list comprehension, first technique. Okay. Okay. So list comprehension, first syntax, just a single for loop, just a single for loop and printing. So now my question for you is syntax 2. Use for loop and if condition. Use for loop and if condition. So what I'm saying is in between values 11 to 21, in between values 11 to 20, print only even numbers. How you will write? For I in range of 11 to 21, if I percentile by 2 double equal to 0, print I. Am I right, guys? Guys, am I right?
Yes.
Am I right? How many lines it is taking? See, if I run it, only even numbers between 11 to 20 will come. 11 to 20 will come. My question for you is, how many lines it is taking?
3.
3 lines. So this is second type of syntax. So second types of syntax. Sorry, yes. So second, see what you can ask me, sir, what is the first and what is the second? See, first I am writing here a single for loop is the first. A single for loop. What is the second? What is the second? Second syntax, I'm writing here. Syntax 2. Syntax 2. Syntax 2 means what? One for, I will write here. For loop and if condition. For loop and if condition. Okay. Syntax 2 comes like for loop and if condition. Guys, for loop 1 comes under only, syntax 1 comes under only for loop. Single for loop. Just a for loop. This is for loop with if condition. So what is the syntax? Syntax changes, guys, I'm telling you. Syntax changes, I'm telling you. Okay. Syntax changes. How the syntax is? So first printing area. So this is area to print. First area will be printing only, area to print. Next, this is for the for loop. Next if for loop, write if, simple. So I will be telling you here. See, what I will do is same logic which you are writing in 3 different lines, I will write in a single line. Open the list. See, for I in range of 11 to 21. Okay, 2 columns no need because I'm not going inside 2 columns no need. So what is the syntax? After for loop, write if. I will copy that if, no need of 2 columns, space, I will write if. Printing area, so print here. Simple. See, 3 lines I am adjusting in 1 line according to the syntax. First for loop, I am writing here. Next if condition, I am writing here. And printing here, printing area. You should not ask me once again, why, sir, why you are not writing 2 columns? 2 columns refers to going inside. But here you are writing in a single line. What is the purpose of going inside? Yes or no? Now see how, sir, it works. How it works? First for loop, every time for loop only. Range is what? What is the range? 11, 12 till 20. So 11, 12 till 20. So I value will be picking up 11. I value will be picking up 11. So it will go to the if condition. 11 percentile by 2 double equal to 0. Condition false. Condition false. So it won't go to print area because condition is false. Because condition is false, it won't go to the printing area. Next iteration. In the next iteration, I value will be picking up 12. This 12 will be goes to if condition. 12 percentile by 2 double equal to 0. So it's a even. Yes, this is working, condition true. So it will go to the printing area. So 12 will come. So simple logic, same how it is working there. For loop, then it goes to if. If it is satisfied only, it goes to the print. If it is not satisfied, it won't go to the print. It won't.
Means without having print statement, it will print automatically.
No, I will keep them in the print. Just at the last, I will keep them in the print. Okay.
Okay.
This is the logic. Understood, guys? The logic you understood, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Same logic, but in a single line. If I run it, see, all the even numbers will come. All the even numbers will come. Okay. So see, instead of writing in 3 lines, can't you write in a single line? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You can write in a single line. Next.
Sir,
So
without
third,
print, without print, we can also print, no?
yes, without print also you can do. If you remove them also, it will print. But see, see here you are running it, so here it is showing. But if you use the VS Code or if you use the PyCharm, without print they won't print, no. That's why. So for example, if I want to show you, I am removing the print. Okay, I am removing the print. I am running here, you are getting the output. Okay, I am running this one, this code I am running, I am getting the output. So I told you, without print also directly they can call. But this is only for Jupyter Notebook, the Google Colab. Same code, I will open VS Code or PyCharm, the real-time tools. What I'm saying is the real-time tools. So I think I created a folder for the last section somewhere. So what is the folder that we created? Test folder, right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes or no? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes.
Sir, without print,
See, that is the ideally. See, here printing means printing in front of you. Okay. So here, if you are not using the print also, temporarily it is calling from the memory and showing in front of you. Okay, that's what I'm showing. This ideally is going to show you the output. Ideally problem, not the Python problem. So same logic. See, I will open the file, folder, which we created for the last sections. Somewhere I created for to explain functions concept test. Do you remember? Do you remember calling Sai these functions? For example, see there is a file known as a Kamal file. So in this file, see the same logic I will keep. So let's say the same logic which I have written here. Same logic I will keep in the file. I will keep in the file, okay? Guys, now tell me, if I run this kamal.py file, will I get the output? Will I get the output? See, I'm going to save it. I'm going to that location. I'm going to open them in command prompt. These things I told you in the last sections. See, I'm going to run this kamal.py file because in the kamal.py file, the code is there. So Python kamal.py file. Am I getting any output, guys? Am I getting any output? No. So why you are not printing it? You are not printing it. So then how it is printing here? See, that's what I'm telling. The real-time tools won't work. Jupyter Notebook is just for learning purpose. 100 times I told you. Jupyter Notebook is learning purpose. Temporarily it will save in the memory. It will call you and show in front of the memory. But if you see the real-time ideal list like PyCharm or VS Code, they're not giving the permission to print because you are not writing the print. See, if I keep them in the print now, if I keep them in the print, if I keep the code in the print, if I save that one now, if I run the file once again now, so Python kamal.py, now I am getting the output or not?
Yes, sir.
See, so from here, what did you understood? Without print, you can't get the output. But the question is, in the Jupyter Notebook, in the Google Colab, if you write also, it will work, but because it's ideally taking care of everything, not the Python. So, but that's why officially we need to keep in the print condition. We need to keep inside the print. We need to keep inside the print. Okay. So tell me now, you understood or not? This is 3 lines. This I am writing in a single line. This is 3 lines. This I am writing in a single line. In a single line. This in a single line. Lines of code is reduced. Third option I will tell you. Third option is, for example, syntax 3. What is the syntax 3? Guys? Use if, else, for loop, and print condition. Use if, else, for loop, and print condition. How it is possible? So area to print, first of all. Area to print. Next one, how, sir? Next one, how? This is the place for the if condition, if and its condition, if and its condition. I will make it in a square bracket. If and it, or else open the parenthesis for understand purpose. If and its condition, else and its condition, okay, and for loop. So if you want, for example, I will tell you without comprehension, without list comprehension, using the normal way of coding, find the even numbers and odd numbers from 11 to 20. Find the even and odd between 11 to 20. So for I in range of 11 to 21, so if I percentile to double equal to 0, print I. or else print, yes or no? If this is satisfying means you will get, it will go inside and print even numbers, or else it will go, the number will go to the here. So sir, how can we recognize? So I think we can keep it here, yes or no? We can keep it here, I even. Guys, am I right? Or can I do like this? Guys, I told you this function,
Yes, sir.
this variable, we can match the print conditions. If you can't remember, go through the recording once. So I value will be picking up 11, coming inside. Do if condition satisfied, guys? No. If is not satisfied, it goes to the else. In the else, what I am doing? In the flower bracket, if I am keeping variable means I, 11, 11, 2 colons odd. Next, 12 will be picked up. 12, 2 colons even. So even number and odd number will be coming in front of you. See, 11 is an even, 11 is an odd, 12 even, 13 odd, 14 even. So how many lines it taking, guys? How many lines do it is taking?
10.
5
10?
lines. 5 lines.
5 lines. 5 lines it is taking to write the code. Can't you make it in a single line? Can't you make it in a single line? See,
We can.
sorry,
We can.
yes. Just follow this syntax. Same code I will use. Same code. See, open this. For I in range of 11 to 21, according to the syntax, if I percentile by 2 double equal to 0 means print I, or else print I. Sorry, small I. I will explain you here. I will explain you. See, for I, first for loop, for I in range of 11, 12 till 20. So I value will be picking up 11. After picking up 11, guys, it goes to the else or it goes to the if? Tell me. It goes to the, where is if? Here is if. Here is if. Do if condition is satisfied? Do if condition is satisfied whenever I is 11?
It goes to I.
No.
No.
No, if condition is not satisfied. If this condition is satisfied means it will go to the left area to print. But if is not satisfying, so it go where it goes now? Tell me. It goes to
It goes
else.
to I.
So in the it goes to the else. For the else, what is the printing area? This is the printing
I.
area. This is the printing area. So 11 will print. Next, I value will be picking up 12. So again, it goes to the if condition. It will check the condition. Tell me, guys, condition true or not? Condition true. So if the condition is true means what is the print for if? This one.
That's right.
This 12. So in a simple way, this is if condition. This is its print. This is else condition. This is its print. This is for loop. Guys, understood? Understood? You will ask me, sir, if you run this one.
Please repeat this step, last step you are telling.
This is for loop.
Yes, yes.
This is if condition. And for this if condition, this is the print.
Okay.
This is the else condition. For this else, this is the print.
Okay.
So now my question for you is, if I keep it here, if I run it, you will get 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20. Because can't, that's what. See, because you can ask me, sir, I will be picking 11. 11 won't satisfy if. So this piece not executed. It goes to the else. In the else, you are printing I. I means 11. Next, I value will be picking up 12. 12 goes here, satisfied. It goes to here. You are just printing 12. Are you writing anything, something like this? Something like this representation? Difference?
No.
We are not writing. So can't we write these things here, sir? No. So this kind of, designs won't work here. It's a single line representation. Then how can we make the difference? Guys, see, You see a simple logic I will follow. This is there, no? This is the printing area for if only, no? So imagine this is the printing area for if. So can I print anything I want? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? So this is the printing area for else. So I can print anything I want. Now my question is, for example, 12 plus 12 plus Kamal. What happens? 12 plus Kamal. What happens?
12.
It will throw error. Most interview questions. 12 plus Kamal. 12 plus Kamal. It will throw error. In the place of plus, if you keep comma, 12 comma Kamal, for example, 12 comma Kamal, if I keep, what is happening? It will convert to tuple. Okay. For example, if I keep 12 plus Kamal, what happens? See, if I run it, it will throw error. It will throw error. Immediately will ask me, sir, what is the error? What is the error? Come here. I told you 100 times. If you want to become a proper developer, understand the error. Unsupported operand type plus, which means integer and string. So you are giving one integer and this is integer. You are giving string. Okay, a integer, a string. You can add integer and string with the help of comma or with the help of, let's say, percent. A lot of things are there, but using plus operator won't give the permission. Plus operator won't give the permission to add a integer or a float with the string. I'm telling you. Then how to add, sir? So if I'm giving 12 plus Kamal. So plus operator won't give the permission to add integer and a string. Won't give the permission to add integer and a string. So can I do like this? Str of 12. 1 minute. So see here, guys. Str of 12 plus Kamal. So what this str to this will do?
It's converted string.
What this str will do? Str 12 means it will convert them into quotes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then Kamal. So now see what happens. Now tell me what happens. Now tell me. So if I keep in between the quotes, what happens? It will convert like 12 Kamal. It will convert like 12 Kamal. So see, it will convert like 12 Kamal. Now my question for you is, sir, 12 Kamal is coming. Can't we give the space? I told you in between the quotes, if we do anything, it will come. Can I give space here, guys?
Yes, sir.
Space, 12 space.
Yes,
So
sir.
12 space Kamal. See, is coming or not? So you will ask me, sir, why you are teaching these things? So here I will tell you the logic without thing I won't teach. So
Excuse me, sir.
yeah.
So instead of using the str function, can we give a single quotes within the I in the print statement?
Sorry, what you will give?
You have used the str function here.
Yeah, okay.
And can we use quotes in the 14th line? We are going to print the I within a single quote.
Yeah.
This, yeah.
If you give in between the quotes, I means it comes a is equals to I. It becomes like a you are giving something to the variable. Okay, I is a variable here. For I in A, I is picking up 11. Okay, if you keep quotes of 11 means what is the meaning of that? I is having the information. Use that information. Okay. What I'm saying is if you keep the quote,
Yes,
what
sir.
will be the output? So 12 is see, I value will be 12, for example.
Yes.
I value 12. 12 is satisfying this condition or not? 12 is satisfying this condition. So if
Yes.
the 12 is satisfying this condition means it goes to its print area. Yes or no? In
Yes,
the
yes.
print area, what you are doing? You are printing code. You are printing I. You are not printing 12. In between the quotes, what you write, it is printing. It's a string. But I is a variable, na? Here I is a variable. You are converting the variable into, see, I. I is having the information. If you write in between the quotes, this comes under string. This is a variable which is holding integer 12. Lot of difference is there. So see here, what I will do is, so can I do like this, guys? This 12 is there. Suppose this 12 is there. I will convert them into str. If I run it, see? Yes or no? So space is not there. Can I give space here? Then see 12 space Kamal. Good, no? So what I will do is, guys, I is picking 11 first. I is picking 11. You know that very well. So where it goes, tell me? It goes to if condition only. Do the if condition is satisfied? No. So then where it goes? It goes to the else block. In the else block, you are printing number. But now what I will do is, instead of printing number, what I will do is, see, I will do like this. str of I, which means 11 plus odd. Can I do like this? Now see, what is C? First for loop, I value will be picking 11. So 11 satisfying the condition or not, tell me. If condition, no,
sir.
it won't satisfy. So it won't go to the if, it won't go to inside the if, remove it. It go to the else only. So this is the printing area for else, am I right? What you are writing here? str of I, which means 11 plus space odd. If you add it, 11 odd, yes or no? 11 is an odd number, am I right?
Yes, sir.
So same thing can you give for the even area? So in the even area, can I do like this? str of I. So I is an integer converting to string plus, and I am writing even. See, now if I run it, see, 11 is odd, 12 even, 13 odd, 14 even. We're getting the same things or not?
Yes, sir.
So see, 5 lines of code in a single line. In a single line. Understood this? Comprehension. Only comprehensions will be having 3 different syntaxes. Syntax 1, first technique. For loop here, print here. I mean, so this is the print area. Sorry. I don't know what happened. For loop here, this is the print area. First one I told you. Next one, guys, for loop with if. For loop will be in the middle. If will be at the end. This is the print area. Print the variable. Next one, for loop, if and else. For loop will be last. Okay. If will be here and if print will be here. Okay. Else will be here. Else print will be here. Simple. 3 different syntaxes. Comprehension completed. Guys, understood? Everyone clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Single line representation. Single line representations. This is list comprehension. Then what is the meaning of dictionary comprehension, sir? What is the meaning of dictionary comprehension? Dictionary comprehension. See, dictionary comprehension means list comprehension means working with list. Dictionary comprehension means working with. Guys, tell me. Dictionary comprehension means working with dictionary. Simple. A is equals to my favorite dictionary every time. Apple 100, banana 200. Today carrot in the market 40 rupees. Carrot 40. Suppose. So apple 100 rupees, banana 200 rupees, carrot 40 rupees. Carrot 40 rupees. My question for you is, you have already done the practice now. I want to print the values. Tell me how you will print. I want to print the
A dot.
values.
A dot values of
Only values. Good. Okay, only values. My question is, by passing the for loop without using the values, I mean, without using the values function, built-in function,
Index.
you need to print. Guys,
Index.
tell me index. Yeah. For I in A, I will be picking up keys or values. Tell me.
Keys.
I will pick
Keys.
only keys.
Key.
I told you. For loop, I will pick up only keys. So let's say in the first iteration, I value will be picking apple. I value will be picking apple. Going inside. Inside, print A of I, which means what? A of apple. What is I? I is apple, no? A of apple. Now tell me, A of apple means what? 100 only, no? 100.
Yes.
In the next iteration, I value will be banana. Inside, A of banana is 200. In the next iteration, I value will be carrot. A of carrot, nothing but 40. Outputs are getting or not? See? Simple. Now my question is, how many lines? Remove about the input. Okay, input you should not consider. The logic, 2 lines, yes or no? Can't you make it in a single line? Dictionary, comprehension. Dictionary, comprehensions. So see, syntax is same. Just write dictionary. Only for loop and print you are using. So for loop will be here, print will be here. Same syntax will be same for list and dictionary. Concepts are same. 3 different concepts, 3 different syntax for same for dictionary and list. See, open the dictionary. So first, let me write this vegetables dictionary. Okay. See here. In the dictionary, for I in A. For I in A. Okay. For I in A. So in the print area, can I print like this? Let's say like, see here just values I am printing. Here just values I am printing. Can I print like this? If I keep it inside the print, guys tell me, is it possible? For I in A, see, for I in A, I value will be picking up apple. So what you are printing here?
Apple,
What you are
banana,
printing?
carrot.
Apple. But what we need? 100. Their values we need. So can I do like this? Can I do like this?
Yes.
If I run it, what happens? See, I'm getting or not? I is picking up apple, but why it is shifting? See, you are not following the proper syntax. You are writing in a set, so fluctuating. So see how much difference. The production code entirely it won't work. Okay. So here what I will do is I is to A of I. A of I. Let me check it. See, I'm getting, sir, how you are printing? See, for I in A, I value is picking up apple only, no guys? I value picking apple only, no? Go here. This is the print area. In the print area, I'm doing, what is I? I means apple. Apple, you are writing 2 colon. A of I means what? A of apple. A of apple is how much? 100 only, no? 100. Next iteration, I value will pick banana. Go here. Banana colon. A of banana is 200. So key and value I'm printing clearly. Single line. Yes or no, guys? Guys, in a single line. This is the for loop. This is representation. This is representation. So what? Now I will give you one challenge. Let's see the people. Syntax 2. Syntax 2. Syntax 2. Syntax 2. For example, I mean, what is the meaning of syntax 2, guys? 3 syntaxes will be there. Once again, I'm telling you in the comprehension. Syntax 1, syntax 2, Syntax 3. Both in list and dictionary comprehension. In both techniques, I'm telling you. Syntax 1 means only for loop and print. Syntax 2, for loop, if and print. Print area, print area. Third one, for loop, if and its print, and else and its print. So now, see, for the list and the dictionary, both are same or not, guys? Both are same. Next, I will go with syntax 2. What is the syntax 2? For loop, if, and print area. So, what I need is without comprehension, like without comprehensions, the values which are more than 40, you need to write a if condition. You need to write a if condition. In a dictionary, the values which are more than 40 multiply with 2. So more than 40, only 100 and 200 is there. Multiply with 2. Apple should become 200. Banana should become 400. How? See, for I in, can I do like this, guys? For I comma j in a dot items. A dot items. Guys, tell me, A dot items means, see, I told you what A dot items. A dot items means apple 100, banana 200, carrot 300. So I comma j means what? I will be picking up apple, j will be picking up 100. Yes or no, guys?
Index. Yes.
Okay. I will be picking up apple, j will be picking up 100. So what I am doing? So what is j now? Tell me, guys, what is j? J means 100 only, no? J means 100. So I will compare. If the j, okay, if the j, if it is greater than value 50, for example, if the j is greater than value 50, I need to multiply them. A of I is equals to A of I into 2. Into 2. So print A. Print A. See what happens? Guys, apple converted to 200, banana to 400, carrot is like that only. Yes or no? You can ask me how it is possible. Should I explain, guys? Logic? Very simple. Focus on A dot items. First point. A dot items means first apple and 100. This is one combination. Items will give you the combination. Banana 200 is one combination. Carrot 40 is one combination. So my question is, I value will be picking up apple and the j value will be picking up 100. Yes or no? In the first iteration. Going inside. So j is what? J is 100. 100 greater than 50. Condition true or false?
False.
Condition true. Huh?
True.
100 greater than 50. Condition true.
True.
Go inside. Inside, right side operation give to left side. 100 times I told you. What is right side? A of I. A of I means what? What is I? A of apple. A of apple means what? 100. 100 into 2 is how much? 200. 200 you are giving to what? A of I. A of I means what? A of apple. I told you in the last dictionary, if the key is there means it will update or else it will create. Key is there or not? A of apple. It is there. So 200 is giving. Next iteration, I value will be picking up banana, j value will be picking up 200. Simple. That's how it is updating. So 40, like in the third iteration, j value which is 40, 40 less than 50 condition false. So it's silent. It remains like that only. It remains like that only. See? Simple. So how many lines total? 1, 2, 3. So can't you make it in a single line? Can't you make them in a single line?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. Yeah, using Comprehension, dictionary comprehension. How can you make them into a single line? That's the question. That's the interview question. See, same logic I told you. Logic won't changes for loop. So if should be right side or if should be left side? You have only for loop and if.
Sir.
If should be right side. Yes or no? According to the syntax too. Print area should be here. So in the print area, can I do like this, guys? I is equals to j into 2. Can I do like this? Yes, can I do like this? See, same logic. Same logic. First, I value will be picking up apple, j value will be picking up 100. Okay, I value will pick up a and 100. So if j, which means j 100 greater than 50, condition true, go here. Here what you are doing? Here what you are doing? I. So in a dictionary, see in a dictionary, I, what is I? I means apple. I means apple, colon, see colon, j means 100. 100 into 2 is nothing but 200, comma, in the next iteration, I value will pick banana, j value will pick 200. It goes on like that. Simple. Simple logic, see. Single line. See, here you need to understand, caret is not satisfying the condition. So it is not coming. Caret is not satisfying the condition. So it is not coming. It is not coming means like j is not satisfying. So here it is not throwing inside. Here it is not throwing inside. You can ask me then why, sir, why it is coming here? Why it is coming here? Why it is not coming here? See guys, see, just one thing I just want to tell you. Here apple satisfying the condition going inside. Apple you are updating. Banana satisfying the condition going inside. Banana you are updating. Guys, caret is caret satisfying the condition? No, it won't go inside. It won't go inside. Okay, for loop completed. After completing the for loop, if you print A means A is updated, B is updated. Okay, that doesn't mean caret is not there. Yes or no? You are printing A. In the A value, apple value updated, banana value updated. C is like that only. Okay, you are printing A here. You are printing A. So what you have to do is like, I don't need the caret. Caret means you need to append into another dictionary. Then why caret is not coming here? Here see only apple and banana are satisfying the condition. Only those things I am printing. But here you are updating and you are printing again A. You are printing again A. In the A caret is also there. That's why caret is coming. Here caret is not coming. So based on the condition. Guys, understood?
Yes.
Clear now? Syntax 2. Now last but not least, third syntax. So same code I will take. Syntax 3. Syntax 3. Okay, apple is there, banana is there, caret is there. Caret is there. So I want you, the values which are more than 50 multiply with 2, fine. The values which are less than 50 multiply with 10. So can I do one change here? Else block. A of I is equals to A of I into 10. So apple value 100 will go to if only. Banana value will go to if only. But see guys, in the third iteration, j value will be collecting 40, 40 greater than 50. Condition false. Go to else. In the else, what you are doing? In the else, what you are doing? A of I, which means caret. A of caret means 40. 40 into 10 is nothing but 400. You are updating into the same variable. So 40 converts to 400. See? 40 converted to 400. Remaining things which are satisfying, they are multiplying with 2. So how many lines, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. Can't you make it in a single line? Can't you make it in a single line? We can make it. But what is the syntax for 3? Third syntax? For loop, if and if print, else and else print. Am I right, guys? Same logic apply here. See, open the dictionary. Same for loop I will write. Same for loop. Okay. Sorry, same for loop. Here, if I can do one thing here. See, I will write like this, guys. I will write like this. You tell me what happens. If, let's say, I'll tell small logic here. If J okay, J into 10. But here one logic I will tell you. So we can make it in a common way, guys. So key I can make it common. So if J, I can make like this. See, I can make like this a common issue. Yeah. See, you will ask me, sir, what you have done? See, guys, simple logic. I will tell you clearly. See, for loop I am writing here only. If I am writing here only. Okay. Else I am writing here only. But what was the logic changes? See, this is one pair, this is one pair, this is one pair. I value will be picking up apple. J value will be picking up 200. Yes or no? Apple 200. Simple. Okay. I value will be picking up apple. J value will be picking up 200. Okay. First point. Second point, see, they will come to if condition, guys. Yes or no? Guys, they will come to if condition. So if condition 200 greater than 50, condition true. Okay. 200 greater than 50, condition true. Okay. Condition true. So if this if condition is true means you need to focus on the left side. Left side, what is there, guys? See, I, which means what is I? Apple equal to, see, J into 200 into 2, 400, comma. Next also J value will be satisfied going inside. Banana equal to, already banana means 200 is there, no, 200, 400. Okay, next. But see here, but you just see here, last pair, I value will be picking up carrot, J value will be picking up 400. So come here, it will check the condition. If J, I mean not 400, it is 40. Okay, 40 greater than 50, condition false. If condition false, it go to the else. So in the else, what is J into 10, 40 into 10, 400. But where is the key? See, commonly a key I am maintaining. Common key I am maintaining commonly. Only I am focusing on the value representation. What is I? I is carrot. I is carrot. So instead of writing key value, key I am making outside. Apple will be here. So if this value is greater, I will change the value. Next, carrot will be here only. So if the 40 is greater than 50, it will come here, or else it will go to the else. If I keep in the print, see, changing. Simple. What is happening? Why? Because take this A, keep it here and run it. See, simple. So this is a single line code representation. That is the power of comprehensions. But it's an option. I don't recommend mainly for the freshers. What I will tell for the freshers is first become perfect in logic representation. So in my point of view, I think when compared to this one is better. Yes or no? To understand clearly what is happening. Okay. So if you are interested, you learn, or else But you learn this one perfectly. Logic building you need to learn. Guys, understood comprehensions clearly? List comprehension and dictionary comprehension. Any doubts? Okay. So in the next section, which means on Monday, I think you are finding out both the drives properly, all the materials are updating. So next Monday, we will be learning Monday file handling, Tuesday exception handling, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday complete OOPS concept. So Python completed. Python completed will go to data tools. Data tools. Guys, clear now? Everyone? So I will update the drives. So I will upload the example files. A lot of examples are there with me. Dictionary comprehension, list comprehension. Okay, examples are uploaded. You need PPT. I don't know whether PPT is available or not, but let's see. Python comprehension, yes. PPT is there. Do you have written anything? I think this just adding so no need of material. This written material. So my work is there, which I have done here, and example files, examples are there, and
Excuse
also PPT is there. Yes, please.
me, the functions examples once for open function examples. These are small doubts.
Yes, please. Yeah, let's wait. In the another drive also it will update it, guys. No worry. So yeah, please.
Functions def re reverse of a. Yeah, that
Yeah.
is. Can you please explain?
Yeah. So what we are doing here, I'm taking the list and reversing them without using the reverse function, right? Very good.
Take that C is equal to empty list. Why, sir? That C is equal to empty.
I don't know. Like long back I done this logic. Let me check. Okay. So I'm calling the function. Okay. I'm sending the input. Okay, fine. So length of a, okay, for example, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 minus 1, total 7. Okay. So let me see. I value is 7. Fine. Keep it aside. If I greater than or equal to 0, condition true going inside. So I'm appending to this one, which means, so I'm taking an empty list, I'm appending. So a of I, what is a? Basically, a means nothing but the list. So a of what is I? Guys, what is I?
Empty.
7. No.
Okay.
A means the list. In this list, 7, A of 7. Seventh index position is what? 43 only, no?
Okay.
43 I'm adding here. Last one becomes first or not in the list.
Yes.
So next, in the next, see, I'm decreasing. I'm making I to 6. So 6 greater than 0, condition true. A of 6 means what? Value 6, this one. So this one is adding, comma 6. See, you are reversing or not?
Yes, sir.
Understood? After reversing, everything will be in the C. You are returning that C, catching that C, and printing here.
Okay.
Clear, na?
Yes, sir.
Simple, like when you got this kind of logics, take a paper, pen, note down like how I am writing, length minus 1. Slowly, then you will get the result.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So all the files are updated, guys. So in another drive also I will update. No worries in that. I will catch up on Monday, guys. Happy weekend. Enjoy. Thank you, guys.